Doctor, doctor, give me the news. I got a Sprinter van that's blowing a fuse.
Hey, what's up guys? Sprinter Doctor here. Do you need to replace the charge air hoses on your OM642 equipped Sprinter? If so, I'm going to walk you through how to do that. And I also want to show you, I've got a driver side charge air hose here, and I want to show you where they usually fail at, right here around this collar. It will separate from this metal collar and start leaking there. And I've also seen where they will split right here on the top in this curve and start leaking there. One thing that you can do to try to help you locate these leaks is you can get someone to help you. You get the vehicle, put the parking brake on, very good, hold the brakes, put the vehicle in reverse, apply the accelerator pedal a little bit to put a load on the engine, and you can hear the air whooshing sound coming from the leak. That can help you find the leak. You know, something else that I wanted to suggest, if you have a Sprinter with the OM642 and it's over 5 years old or has more than 75,000 miles on it, it might not be a bad idea to get a spare driver side and passenger side charge air hose and take with you, especially if you're going to be doing some traveling well outside of civilization, maybe up in Alaska or some overlanding somewhere far away from any kind of service facility. You may want to consider taking some spares with you. So I'm going to show you how to replace these, so let's get started. These are the tools that I use to replace these charge air hoses. Just a flathead screwdriver, and this is actually a parking brake hook tool. Part number is 116-589-016200. Just got a hook on the end, that way I can grab that clip and pull it off, as you'll see. Okay, here's the way I do it. If there's an AC compressor in the way right here, I use this hook. And I hook the clip right here. And you can get the clip off that way. Once you get it off, it'll come out.